Hey everybody, this is Deb. Happy Saturday. This video is my latest as part of the Saturday Morning Makes, which was started by Jill Norwood. Hi Jill, how are you? I haven't been on for a while, I apologize for that, but in all honesty, I am a slowpoke crafter, so I can't do crafts fast enough for videos every week, but I do appreciate everyone tuning in and welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of my subscribers, and as usual I am going to acknowledge my newest subscribers. Thank you so much to Ann Elizabeth Stavland, Kimbo Creations, Craft Adventures with Susan Tootsie Tucker, B. Livingston, Christine Cadell, Dawn Taylor, Prairie Paper Crafts, Inspired Soul 84, Photography Makes, Judy Evans Parker, Diane Della Copa, I Candy Crafts Margie Schwerm, Ms. Seashells Crafty Cabana, Angela Serendipity Arts, Karen Mackey, Patricia Franco, Lori Townsend, Lisa Fisher, Cynthia Ryder, Sandy B., Beverly Cadu, Carol Snyder, Paper Genius 94127, Pam Barnett, Kimberly Robson, Christy Schulte, Sheila Stotts, The Happy Crafter, Brianne Maxey, Margit Salkner, Vestalina Wheat, and Lilo Crafts. Thank you all so very much, and thank everyone for your comments. I appreciate them, and I truly appreciate everyone who stops by and watches my videos. That's what it's all about, for the crafters to share their projects, share their creations, and just make new friends. So this video is about a baby boy mini album that I started quite a while back. This is an item that unfortunately ended up in my to-do pile because I couldn't figure out what to put on the cover. So with that being said, the paper pad that I used was by Casey & Company. This is an older collection. I don't know if it's still available, but again, I'm trying this year to use up my craft stash, and this is definitely one that was in my stash for a long time. The tutorial I use for the mini album is by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. I will try to remember to link that below. It's a 3-part tutorial, so she goes into detail as to how to do everything, and it's very user-friendly. Now, as I said, I was stuck on the cover design. I just could not figure out what to do on the cover. I was watching a video by Connie over at Prairie Paper Crafts, and she had done a video on a card that she made, and this is her design of the card. It's a crisscross card, and when I saw it, I knew that is what I could put on my cover. So this is Connie's idea, not mine. So thank you, Connie, for the inspiration. This is a paper piecing design by Little Scraps of Heaven Designs, and my goal was to keep the cover fairly flat, not three-dimensional, and I did put a little tag in here. This is where the mother or father, whoever is completing the album, they can put pictures of the baby in there, or they could just have the tag in and journal on it. I also thought it would be cute to put this little die cut on it. I haven't glued that down yet. whoever ends up with the album can tell me whether they want that there or not. I do have this picture off the internet. This is what I meant by, excuse me, I'm losing my voice today, by putting a picture of the baby. You could crop a photograph and put the baby's picture in there. Of course, this picture really goes that way, but you get the idea. I also did the album such that whoever receives it, they don't have to be a scrapbooker to do the inside of the album. It's very simple. I'm also going to include a bunch of die cuts that came with the collection so that they can use these as they wish to decorate the inside of their album. I'm going to try to first bath. I'm not going to go through all of these, but you get the gist of it. All little boy items. Little train, truck, little elephant, and a real cute rocking horse. So there are plenty of die cuts. Another little boy. Several for them to choose from. During the video, I will probably have to keep moving the album in order to get it into frame. So I hope it's not too bad of a video. The spine is plain. I didn't do anything on there, and this is the back. So you open it up. There's a lot of magnets in this one, and this area here is very big for a large photograph, and I keep moving it the wrong way. The album will hold well over 100 photographs. That is not including multiple photographs that you could put on a fold out like this. I counted this as one large photograph. And it does include the little booklets that are included in here. So there's a lot of photographs that can go in here. This opens up. And again, you have this large area for photographs and this one over here. That's magnetic. This one over here, there's a little booklet here. You can use for smaller photographs or journaling. This is magnetic as well. This opens up over here. It's a little pocket. Again, you could put photographs here and another pocket over on this side. It's a boy, little card for journaling, has all the statistics for the boy. And this is just a map. On this side, we have another pocket. I have a little tag in here. I put in some booklets. These will fit the 4x6 photographs. And I left them plain. So again, over the number of photographs, the over 100, doesn't count all the photographs that you can get on these types of pockets, pocket inserts. And again, the person who receives it, they might decide that a truck would be nice to go there, or they could even put the little die cuts on their photographs. Over on this page, this folds out. Room for a photograph here, photographs here. This one folds out. And again, very large space for either an 8x10 or 5x7 smaller photographs. I forgot to say that each page does have an insert. This is a Martha Stewart lace punch here. This here, baby boy, this opens up, it is magnetic, opens up. And this is a pull-out. Pulls down like this. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photographs over on this side, and 4 over here. And you could even put a photograph here as well. This is all good for a 4x7. I'm sorry, 4x6 photographs. I don't have my ruler here. Hold on a minute while I get my ruler. I'm sorry, I tried to be prepared, and I guess I wasn't. Yeah, this is 6.5 and 4.5. So 4x6 can fit on every one of those pull-outs. And while I'm at it, the album itself is, let me see, each page is 7.5 by 7.5 by 7.5. So I said earlier an 8x10, you would have to crop that photograph. On this side is a pull-out, again, magnetized. This one folds up, and more large spaces for photographs. On this side, I love this paper with the cows and the moons. This opens this way, this one here, and again, just oodles of pages for photographs. This opens up. This is a pocket, again with a tag and some mats. And this is a nice way to use some tiny little scraps that you may have. I was really tempted to put laces in here and flowers, and I says, you know, it's a baby boy. Not that they can't have lace and flowers, but I'll leave that up to the recipient of the album. This is one of my favorite pages. I love the trucks and the design of this paper. This opens up this way, and this is one place where I did put a cutout. Daddy's little boy. I did leave it open so you can tuck a photograph behind it. And again, plenty of space over here. It's kind of like the mirror image on this side, only this is mommy and me. Again, I left it open so you can't tuck your photograph behind there. And as I said, all of these have a pull-out for more photographs. This here, I love this one, this waterfall. I've never done this before, and Rosa Kelly tells you how to do it very easily. So you pull in the bottom one and they all flip up. Fun, 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 fun. Over here's a pocket. Again, a tag with some booklets. I'm sorry, I just did photo mats in this one. I was worried the album might be getting a little bit too thick. Over here, little buddy, it's cute, opens up, opens this way, and again, oops, didn't do that right. There. On this side, this is the last page. This is a waterfall. Again, I left it plain, so you can put I believe you can put a 4x6 on here. Nope, these would have to be trimmed down. Yeah, this is 3 3/4 by 5.5. And if you wanted to mat these, I do have leftover paper that I can send with the album and include with it, so that you could put some design paper on there as well. Tons of space for photographs. And again, another one over here. So that is the mini album. I hope I didn't make everyone too dizzy moving this around. I tried to do my best to show it without making everyone sick. And if anyone is interested in the album, it is available. You can send me an email at deborahleecrafts@gmail.com, or you can send me a message on my Facebook page, Deborah Lee Crafts, and it's going to be priced very reasonable because I am trying to de-stash a lot of my items, and I want to clear out my stash this year. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and everyone have a great week. Thank you again. Have a great day. Bye.